Is there any technique called internal bra in breast reduction and what is its role? So this is something which is very very important to me because ये हम लोगों ने create किया है इंडिया में. This is a technique which we have innovated for our patients. Internal bra, what does it mean? Internal bra means जैसे women wear bra to support the breast. Internal bra means we are creating a bra or a network inside of net inside the breast to hold up the tissue. So जब हम लोग breast reduction करते हैं, when we lift up the breast and we fix the breast tissue to its new position, because initially तो breast यहाँ पे होता है and as we lift it up, reduce it, breast को हम लोग जब ऊपर fix करते हैं, so once it is fixed, then we cover that breast with a mesh, a net, so that net gets fixed to the breast or muscles and the skin, and वो breast को नीचे नहीं आने देता. So basically it is supporting internally and that is why it is called internal bra. So ये technique हम लोग बहुत commonly करते हैं, especially we do it if breast tissue is not very strong, skin is not very strong and breast के supporting structures are not very strong. So ऐसे situation में internal bra can be very magical in order to create a long term result. So internal bra is something you should ask for. अपने डॉक्टर से आपको डिमांड करनी चाहिए that अगर breast reduction कर रहे हैं तो evaluate करिए internal bra के लिए, and if you are a candidate for it then you must do the internal bra technique.